Yeah, 4.60, 3.80, 3.70, 3.90. It's 0.6 the width. Now remember what I told you about measurements inside and measurements outside of the corners. That's the trick to this. Is there's the first one.
Wow. That's 3, 2.9. You put it bangs in there.
Okay, let's see what areas are taken. Hey? What? 7.60? Is that? What's that? Okay, so the second calculation is, anybody?
3.80.
8 point?
17.04.
That's it. Very good.
7.3. 17.04.
Which is what? Is that the answer? 17.04 meters squared. From the measurements on the outside you deduct a corner, from the measurements on the inside you add a corner. You got it?
No.
You take away 4 altogether?
Taken away?
4.
That's right. Well done, Luke.
Like, I was... Oh, I'm not going to go through that. Hang on, 20.64.
20.64.
After you've done them 6 there,
Yes?
it's 19.2.
Let's see what we got. What's that one?
9.12.
9.12.
10.08.
10.08 gives us
19.30.
2.
okay, yes, Liam, now what?
And then actually which one? You do the corners, right, innit?
Yes, deduct the corners then.
Yeah, so it's 0.60.
0.60.
Times 0.60.
Yeah.
Is it times 6?
Right. Okay.
Times 6 is 6 corners.
And 5.
No.
I got 21.36, not 20.
I got
17.
76.
Okay.
You times 4.
Very good. Okay. Okay, I'll show you now.
And then you deduct that from 19.2.
And what's it come to?
Yeah. Oh, 17.68.
This is confusing.
I'll show you in a minute. Sorry. What's the answer then?
17.76. And then that's your center.
Yeah, but there's
Right.
corners.
Okay. This corner, measurements on the outside, so that's a negative corner. Yeah? Measurements on the outside of this one, that's a negative corner. That's a negative corner. That's a negative corner. And that's a negative corner. The measurements here are on the inside. So that's a positive corner. So we've got 5 negatives plus 1 positive equals 4 negative corners.
How's that going to look?
Because the measurements are on the inside.
It's not gone all the way.
Yeah? So it hasn't been taken at all. So we've had to add it on.
Get everything else on set like it.
Okay, that's understandable. That's the hardest bit of the thing to understand. Okay? This is what's called an internal corner. Internal corners you always add on. External corners you always take off. Guys, come on, let's listen up, listen up. just as a little bit of to explain why we've got 4 corners, okay? If I was to pick up that bit of foundation from there, literally pick it up and carry it over there, it would fill in there, and then take that bit of foundation from there and pick it up, it's got to go slight angle, and add it onto there. You can see now, there's 4 corners. Turns it into a rectangle. This is called projection. It's only theoretical, obviously you're not going to dig the foundation differently, but you can see how the areas all match in to turn it into 4 corners. Yeah? If I was to draw, let's get rid of this. If I was to draw a slightly more complicated building, like that, yeah? I can pick up that bit of foundation from there and put it in here, pick that from there and put it in there, that from there and put it in there, and that from there and put it in there.
So let's go 4 corners.
4 corners.
What about the one you did there,
Yeah,
no, that one?
yeah, exactly the same.
Take them all out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
As long as you can project out, it's 4 corners. Like I said, there is something that throws it out. I'll show you that right at the end, but we'll just do another example now where you work it out yourselves, okay?